ultra-strong vacuum power. Total control of your space. Home feeling cluttered? Suitcase won't close? Nano Bag Set AT brings your life back in order. Multi-size set fits every scenario. Negative 55 kilopascals vacuum power, free up to 90% space. Nano Bag Set AT features the all-new Nano AT pump. Compact and easy to store, it connects directly to your smartphone with smart auto suction. Up to negative 55 kilopascals of powerful vacuum, far stronger than traditional vacuums. The side opening design enables faster, more space-efficient packing. Perfect for travel or seasonal storage, it dramatically reduces bulk without sacrificing capacity. Premium eco-friendly materials with a double seal zipper for stronger, longer-lasting, airtight performance. It also offers antibacterial and anti-mite protection for healthier storage. Made with waterproof materials, Nano Bag keeps wet clothes safely contained while traveling. From shopping days to family trips to seasonal storage, Nano Bag Set AT keeps your space perfectly organized.